Makiaria keheri-ini ka mucemanio wa thiku inya wa ambunge uria urathie na mbere mwena wa Mombatha. Ambunge acio aria moima na maruru maingi ni moigire ni megutigirira ambunge ni aririria murutire wira wa Minister Cecily Kariuki. Matongoretio ni mubunge wa Kipkelion West Hilary Kosgei. Ambunge acio ni moigire ni mahitia manene Minister kurugamia Koros wira kumana na mahitia ma arigitani aria mathinjire murwaru uria utariwe.
And we are saying the 15 to 20 billion shillings that Kenyatta Hospital has attracted through the leadership of Lily Koros, these members of parliament will not allow it to be wasted by a choreographed cartels who are out to loot and destroy this country. And we want to tell Cecily Kariuki that Kenyatta Hospital is ailing because the other lower hospitals are not functional.
Koros arugamirio wera kiumia kihituku undu uria urehete urugari muingi wa kiuteti hari atongoria kuma Rift Valley. Riu ambunge ya Rift Valley moigite minister ndari na mahinya o mothe ma kurugamia Koros wira. Ide ikinya riu riagirirwo ni kuoywo ni body iria irugamagira thibitari ya Kenyatta.
The issue of malpractice is not new in the world. It can happen anywhere. Okay? So victimize an individual just because of professional negligence is actually very wrong. I wish that the Cecily, if she has a problem handling the ministry, she will get some advice. I wish they were revetted. I'm telling you, if Cecily was actually brought back to parliament for vetting, she will be out of office.
Ona kuri uguo atongoria kuma kaunti ya Embu matongoretio ni Senator Gerald Wiga ni mateteire Minister Kariuki makiuga atongoria a Rift Valley matiagirirwo ni gutetera wagi wa uigiririku mwena-ini wa Koros. Mihango ni gagaite thibitari-ini ya Kenyatta thutha wa arigitani kugoma makienda umwe wao uria urugamitio wira ni guthinja murwaru uria utariwe acokio wira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.